Welcome fam. Today we take you to Fort de la Chartreuse. Lean back and enjoy this informative video. If you want to see more footage on this location, you can watch the full episode on the link here below. The Fort de la Chartreuse, which dominates the Amica neighborhood of Liege in Belgium, was built between 1817 and 1823 to defend the city. The fort is built on a strategic height that dominates the valley of the Meuse, which had been occupied by a Carthusian, Ordre des Chartreux, monastery until the French Revolution. The fort was built by the Dutch, who at the time administered southern Belgium. After the Belgian Revolution, the Kingdom of Belgium used Fort de la Chartreuse was a barracks for the fortified position of Liege, having built 12 new forts around the city in the late 19th century as part of the country's overall national redoubt. In 1891 a royal decree downgraded the fort and the nearby citadel of Liege, following the construction of 12 modern forts surrounding Liege. The fort was thereafter used as a barracks. From 1914 to 1918 the Germans used it as a prison, and again from 1940 to 1944. In 1944 to 1945 it was used by the Americans as a military hospital. The Belgian army left the site in 1988. After over 100 years in service, the Belgian army left the site around 1988 and the huge complex was simply abandoned, leaving it as a haven for homeless and even a dumping ground for the occasional dead body. According to local sources, unfortunately, not verified, in 2005 the dead body of a 51-year-old woman has been found at the fort. It seems that she lent money to a friend, and when she tried to get back the money she was killed by him at the grounds of the site. Nowadays it continues to lay empty among a portion of land that is slowly being reforested. The former fort is slowly being retaken by the surrounding foliage, which creeps over the stonework like ancient ruins, and you can see trees growing from the top floor as a proof that nature is always stronger than human work. Urban explorers and graffiti artists have also left their mark, making the abandoned Fort de la Chartreuse a relatively macabre gallery of ever-changing street art. Thanks for watching this video fam. Subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon if you don't want to miss new videos of Original Ginger.